tuntu ma chuan kan ram Mizoram omna India Rama Football League system chungchang hi hanbi chiang vele don ta ila Indian Football League system kan ti hian a om zia bera chuan club in elna ru rel ani beranga heta hian Indian Football League hi a pyramid angin soifia kan tum don ani kan chiat angin India Rama hian mi pale mese Football League a hrangin kalpui ani a India Rama mi pa Football League sang ber chu Indian Super League ani a mechelama Football League sang ber ero kumsang hi som paruk atanga kheltran Indian Women's League hi ani thunga amai ro chu mechelam hi chu kan lu chil don lova mi palam football a hian kanin sorbing ri don ani mi palam football hi lomlian pui palia then ni in level 1 atangin level 2 level 3 le level 4 thleng auma aniam ber abul thu tak hi level 4 ni in state league anti India Rama state sang ten mani state a mi pa football in elna kan nei sang te hi hemi huanga hian rin lu vek ni in he state league category a hian in elna bua sei tu chu State Football Association ani a tho pui nei te po in anni hian in elna an bua sei thina ni tichuan India Rama Football League system chordo palizinga aniam ber level 4 a state league chunga hian level ran pasari lai om le in heta level niam ber hi level 7 ani a heta hian 5th division football kan ti ang hi a oma he 5th division big hi state zongzong hian kan nei ran lova Mizoram a po he division hi chu kan nei lo Mase state tam tak zinga West Bengal khuan he division hi an nei awangin state dangin nei lo mase 5th division hi Indian Football Pyramida level niamber ani ta thawa he division a hian West Bengal khuan team som pathuma tanga som porukvel an neya aminga CFL 5th division an tia Kolkata 5th division ti na ani achungchia level 6 a hian 4th division om le in hei po hi West Bengal state chawin an neya CFL 4th division ti in aming hi anda a om zia bera chuan Indian Football League in chordo dana hian West Bengal hian division niam berle adot tu hian neya state dang chuan kan nei ve lo thung ti chuan level 5 a hian third division football kan ti ang hi a om le a hei hi West Bengal le Maharashtra ten nein hemi huanga hian Tamil Nadu 4th division da tel ani boka ti chuan state football big a level 5 a hian state Pathum West Bengal Maharashtra le Tamil Nadu te chau hian football league an neya achungchia level 4 a ero football league atam ta deu he state league category a level 4 huam chunga hian West Bengal in CFL second division an ti te Maharashtra in MFA division 2 an ti te Tamil Nadu in third division an ti te Karnataka in Bangalore league C division an ti te Meghalaya in third division league an ti te Jammu and Kashmir in a JNK B division an ti te le Delhi in a FDC division an ti te hi a omta a avai in league sang pasari lai hemi level 4 huam chunga hian a omta a tichuan level 4 chung level 3 a hian football league som pakhat lai omta bokin West Bengal in a CFL first division an ti te Maharashtra in MFA division 1 an ti te Tamil Nadu in second division an ti te Karnataka in Bangalore league B division an ti te Meghalaya in second division league an ti te Jammu and Kashmir in a JNK A division an ti te le Delhi in a FDB division an ti te baka Goa, Sikkim, Punjab le Tripura te chuan football league an thobel vele ta a Goa hian GFS second division league ti in Sikkim hian Sikkim C division an ti thunga Punjab hian Punjab state league third division ti bokin Tripura hian Chandra Memorial C division league an ti thung ani atot lia hian level 2 om le a hei hi level 3 chungchia khani in heta hian West Bengal in Premier Division B an ti te Maharashtra in a MFA Super Division an ti te Tamil Nadu in First Division an ti te Karnataka in Bangalore League A division an ti te Meghalaya in First Division League an ti te Jammu and Kashmir in a JNK Super Division an ti te le Delhi in a FDA division an ti te Goa in GFA First Division League an ti te le Sikkim in Sikkim B division an ti te Punjab in Punjab State League second division an ti te Tripura in Chandra Memorial B division league an ti te le Odisha in a FAO League 2 second division an ti te Assam in GSAB division an ti te baka Mizoram kan lang ve ta a Mizoram hian Mizoram First Division League hemi huanga hian kan nei ve taran ani Indian Football League Pyramida Level Niamber State League Category B ka hian level pasari lai a awma Mizoram hian level 9 hnunglam level 3 atanga level 7 thlenga hian Football League kan nei ve lova Mizoram hian level 2 a First Division League kan nei mangin Indian Football Pyramida hian kan dak lut ve ta ti na ani tichuan Indian Football League a abul thut state level huam chunga level sangber level 1 a hian West Bengal in CFL Premier Division anti te Maharashtra in MFA Elite League anti te Tamil Nadu in CFA Senior Division anti te Karnataka in Bangalore Super Division anti te Meghalaya in Shillong Premier League anti te Jammu and Kashmir in J&K Premier Football League anti tele Delhi in Delhi Premier League anti te Goa in Goa Professional League anti te Sikkim in Sikkim Premier Division League anti te Punjab in Punjab State Super Football League anti te Tripura in Chandra Memorial A Division League anti te Odisha in FOA League anti te Assam in GSA Super Division anti Assam State Premier League anti nibok te baka Mizoram Premier League hi he category a hian alang tawanga he level a hian level niamzoga Football League nei lo state tam takin Football League an ron nei belta a Kerala in Kerala Premier League Manipur in Manipur State League Uttarakhand in Uttarakhand Premier League Nagaland in Nagaland Premier League Arunachal Pradesh in Indrajit Namchum Arunachal League Rajasthan in R League A Division Madhya Pradesh in Madhya Pradesh Premier League Himachal Pradesh in Himachal Football League Uttar Pradesh in Lucknow Super Division Bihar in Bihar State Soccer League Chhattisgarh in Chhattisgarh State Men's Football League Championship Telangana in Telangana Rahim League anti te Jharkhand in JSA League le Gujarat in GFA Senior Division League an nei te hi an tel ve ta a tichuan state football level sang bera hian league somni le pariat alo om ta ani Indian Football League Pyramida level number 2 state football hi ni in hemi chunga hian level pasari la ya oma Mizoram hian level pasaria hian asang pani level 2 le level 1 a football league tho ve in hei hi Mizoram football in Indian Football Pyramida zung kan kaidan ani tabok tichuan Indian Football League Pyramida hian kan soito ang khan state football bi ka hian level 1 hi asang berani a hemi aya sang hi a om to lo ani kan video tirlama kan soito ang khan Indian Football Pyramid hi level palia thenni in tuna kan soizo ta kha aniam ber state football level ani a state level football hi abo saitu chu State Football Association anni kan ti kha aniam ber kan soizo ta ka chuan state level chungchia level sang jok Indian Football League Pyramida level 3 hi soichun zomta ila he level a hian I League second division a oma abo saitu chu AIFF India Rama Footballa thunei tu sang ber All Indian Football Federation ni in a level po sang lea I League khel phak tur zonna ani ber ome he league a hian team som pariat omin AIFF roman na in elna an nei ta thina hemi china hian he level hi chu du tok tamai ila Indian Football League system a level 2 a hian kalteang he level hi Indian Football League Pyramida level sang ber dot 2 ani to a I League kanti mizote po ina club kan nei na Aizawl FC khelna hi alo ni ta a AIFF bo sai bok ani a India Rampum Pui football level sang ber dot 2 hi AIFF kai hroina hian India Rama club tam tak zinga athazwa zinga chiar phak ten an khel ta thina ni tichuan India Rama Football League sang ber ni ta chu Indian Super League kan ti hi ni ta a tuna hian team som pakhat om mekin he in elna hi AIFF in commercial partners a Football Sports Development Limited nei chunga abo sai thin ani a kumsan ni som pathum October ni som ni pakhat khan din ni in organizing body hi AIFF le uncommercial partners FSDL te hi an ni meka hei aya sang hi India Rama Football League kan nei ri lo ani league sang te hi chu asangin atul dana zirin kan la bi chianganga tungtuma chuan league malbik hi chu chui zawna nei tel tari lo ila Indian Football League system kan topic ani angin Indian Football League in chordo dan a pyramid kan han soi fia masa ani he pyramid sheran hian nakina he pyramid chunga belchian ngai then khat hi kan la belchiang le donia ti hian kan video khai khom don ta ila Indian Football League system hi lomlia thenani a heta hian asang ber chu Indian Super League ani a asang ber dot 2 chu I League ani a asang berdot tua hian mizo te poin club kan nei to a masona ro pui tak ati thei ome ti chuan asang lama pathum na chu I League second division ani le a level niam ber chu state league anti state level football hi ni in he state level football a hi chuan achunga level pasari in thensom le ani a chuta chuan Mizoram hian level sang pahnia league nei in chu Indian football zung kan kai than na anita ani kalphung siam rem ani ve zela wangin nakina team tel theiza temo thil dang eng emo hi chu ladang lam thei om thei do na he thu kan bua sailai ero hi chuan video a kan soi hi adin hun record mumal ta kan mu thei ani ri e